All right, people, Nick Roberts here, and today we're talking headlines. If you've been struggling to write your sales page headline, I've got something that's going to really help you out. So often on sales pages, you see a pre-headline, a headline, and a sub-headline. Let me just show you an example of what that looks like. So you've got a pre-headline, then you've got your headline, and then you've got below the sub-headline, okay? Always in groups of 3, all right? Now, I was always thinking, how do you know what to write on each bit? Like, I wish there was a little formula that I could just plug and play, okay? So what I've done is I've cooked up a 3-part formula for you to write killer headlines. And it looks just like this, okay? So example 1, curiosity. We've got pre-headline where we're gonna ask a yes question. Basically, we're gonna ask a question where we get people to say, hell yeah, fuck yes, all right? That's the sort of response we want from people. Next, we bring in our headline. That's like a how to get result, how to achieve this. And then we've got a sub-headline, and this one's to build curiosity. So we're gonna write something that makes them want to read on, okay? Let me show you a concrete example of this. So, are you sick of pain? How to get result without pain, and then we're gonna build curiosity, okay? So, sick of being broke? How to make $237 a day online without spending hours creating content. This method is crazy simple. Okay, so we've got our pain point there, sick of being broke, that's our pain, or sick of struggling online, or sick of your dead-end job, that's a pain point. How to make $237 a day, that's a result that people want, without spending hours creating content, that's another pain point. No one wants to spend hours every night making videos and stuff, unless they enjoy it. And this method is crazy simple. That's like, oh, okay, crazy simple. I want to read more. I want to find out what it is. All right, that's an example of the curiosity there. Now, there's a slight problem with this headline. I find it's that we haven't said you at all to the reader. Okay, we haven't said you once. We want to inject some you. We want to directly address your reader as much as possible. And this is bringing in what I like to call the "what's in it for me" effect. Okay, so if you're constantly saying you to the reader, then they're constantly in their head, they're going, oh, me, okay? And everyone loves this "what's in it for me" effect, okay? So let me show you what that looks like. Are you sick of being broke? Learn how you can make $237 a day online without spending hours creating content. You'll be shocked how simple this is, okay? So you. Can you see how it just draws you in that much quicker, all right? Just by making that little tweak. Also, we want to remove all effort, okay? People are insanely lazy, and just in your choice of words, you can scare people off. So here I said, learn how you can make. And people, when they see that, they just might think, oh, fucking hell, I've got to learn something. I don't want to learn. That sounds like effort, So we want to remove all effort, okay? And I just made a little tweak. See how you can make, or discover how you can make, okay? Tiny change in words, but it can make all the difference. All right. And then I've just put another example of curiosity here. So here I said, you'll be shocked how simple this is. Now I've just put, no one's revealing this method. Okay, so you can play around with all different curiosity here. And then again, let's bring in the you. No one's showing you this method. Okay, so there you go. Let's get into another example. Example 2. This one is objection handling. All right, so this one goes like this. Are you sick of pain? How to get result without pain? No objection, just result, okay? So you want to think of all the objections that your audience and your potential buyer has, okay? What are the things that they don't want to do? And just, we're going to drop them in here. Give you an example. Are you sick of being broke? See how you can make 237. No investment, no getting on camera, just copy and paste, okay? So an objection people often have is, oh, I don't invest in expensive tools or softwares, all this sort of stuff. So no investment, solve that. People don't want to get on camera often. They're like, oh, I know this make money online thing. You've often got to get on camera. I don't really want to do that. No getting on camera. Address that objection, okay? And then just copy and paste, just making it sound dead simple for people, okay? Another way you can do this is just say without just, okay? Without investment, without getting on camera, just copy and paste. And I'll show you an example of where I've used this formula on one of my sales pages, which I think is this one. Yeah. So this is for a product that I'm making, Hacienda. smash out a shit hot sales funnel faster than you can say ka-ching. And I've got no experience, no tech skills, just follow along click by click. Okay, so objection, you don't have to have any experience. You know, like, oh, I don't have any experience. You don't have to have any. Oh, but I don't have any tech skills. I'm not good on computer. You don't have to. Okay, objection, just follow along click by click. Okay, it makes it sound really, really easy. Okay, so there you go. Let's come back to this, and yeah, let's look at some real life examples, okay, of pre-headline, headline, sub-headline. All right, so I showed you this one. This one's very nice. All right, let's read it. Are you experiencing a traffic drought? Listen up. Okay, so I like that she's put in the you. Okay, so it's a question. Are you experiencing traffic drought? Okay, are you experiencing this pain? People will be like, hell yeah, fuck yes, I'm experiencing traffic drought. So it's done it very nicely there. Watch how we tap into 1.7 billion potential buyers and get tsunami of free traffic to multiple pre-approved offers that make us 301 daily. Okay, so there's a few cool things going on here. 301 daily. You didn't say 300. You've got to get really specific with your numbers. It really, really helps. Like $237 a day, $301 a day, all this sort of stuff. One little tweak I make here is watch how we tap into. That makes us. They're talking about themselves, okay? And as we said before, I think it's more powerful if you address the reader. So see how you can tap into. See that will make you $300 a day. I think that's more powerful. And then the subheadline, 100% newbie friendly. And then they've got this formula that I showed you. No making videos, no paid ads. Okay, 2 objections, no camera, and you don't have to spend a load of money on traffic. So yeah, good example of that. Check out another one. Okay, let me just click that off. So here we go. So we've got our pre-headline, we've got our headline, and then we've got our sub-headline. Let's see what they're doing here. So complete beginners are making $217 a day with this. Okay, so there's no question. I'll do like a question to lure you in. There's no question, but it's all right. World's most beginner-friendly buyer traffic and recurring commission system. That's pretty much just telling people what it is. And then here we go. Without product creation, videos, or any experience. So without objection. All right, pretty decent. Not my favorite, but pretty decent. This one here. Okay, so we've got the pre-headlines all the way up here. Actually, it's very nice. I love this page. So pre-headline, headline, sub-headline. Let's read them. Don't worry. This product has nothing to do with paid traffic, hard work, or YouTube. I love that. They're doing, don't worry, this product has nothing to do with paid traffic, objection, hard work, objection, YouTube, objection. But I don't want to do YouTube, but I don't want to do hard work, you know? So they flipped it around in there. Game-changing software automates $1,000 commissions, really nice. And then 24/7 income stream, that's the result you're going to get without objection, without any bullshit. Okay, beautiful. Really like this one. Invisible has done a very, very similar thing. Okay, up here. Don't worry, this product has nothing to do with video creation, social media, or AdWords. Really specific number. They've even put the decimal 45, really specific, in 3 days. I love that. You'll make this amount in 3 days. Give them a time frame while staying invisible. Okay, new unique method. No camera needed, no English needed. 2 objections people might have. Oh, English is not my first language. Bam, handled it. Oh, but I don't want to get on camera. Bam, handled it. Okay, so really nice one as well. And I think that is all my examples. It is, yeah. Okay, cool. So there you go. That was my 3-part formula to write killer headlines. If you're building out a sales page or whatever you're working on, you could go and apply this to ads. You can apply this to social media posts. You can apply this to your website, content creation, blogs, whatever. I think it will work really well across the board, okay? I hope this video helps you out. I hope you got a lot out of it. If you did, please give us a like. Really helps out the channel. And if you enjoy content like this, I'm trying to bring out a copywriting video every single day or as often as possible. So go ahead and subscribe if you get a kick out of this sort of stuff, all right? Thanks so much for watching. I wish you all the very best wherever you are in the world, and I'll talk to you real soon. Take care.